Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Are you someone who is willing to upskill themselves and explore the fields of hotel industry? Is it your passion that drove you here? Or do you want a great career opportunity? Or maybe you want to work in an industry which is structured and growing by the minute? Hi, my name is Neelam and I will be giving you a little brief on the hotel industry today. Talking about hotel management, the first question is, where can I get a job as soon as I graduate from my college? So the first kind of job that you will probably get is maybe in a 5-star luxury hotel, which say maybe like Taj, ITC or Oberoi hotels. Of course, they also have different departments that you can work in, like culinary, food and beverage, and front office. Avenue after pursuing hotel management could be travel related, say cruise lines, airlines. You could become a flight attendant. You could also become an in-flight chef if you're interested in that. Also, there are airline caterings, so you could probably work into that. There are always government departments that you can work for, like railways, armed forces, or different tourism boards from different states. You can have a lifelong career either in India or abroad because the kind of skills that you learn would be useful anywhere you go. Also, you can always experiment with different verticals in this sector, like say you want to go into housekeeping, you want to get into restaurants or concierge services or maybe bartending. So all of these options are available to you. Variety of career options open up because primarily you become an expert in communication and customer service. So you can obviously get into say banking, retail, luxury retail. There are luxury concierge services that you can work for. You can also get into events like wedding planning, etc. So to excel in this career path, all you need to do is you have to be a people's person with a service heart. And of course, you will have to network with a lot of people in different verticals of your life. But also develop a lot of skills after graduating or maybe working in hotel industry like time management, leadership skills, communication. Also, it will have a major impact on your personality development as well. You would learn how to present yourself. You would know what to say in front of who, how to present, how to communicate properly. So I'm sure there are a wide variety of colleges and institutes out there in the world, and you would be confused which one to pick in order to, of course, come out with the best job possible.
So let's talk about all the major departments in a hotel. The 4 major operational departments of a hotel are housekeeping department, food and beverage service department, food production department, which is kitchen, and front office department. In addition to these departments, hotels usually have a number of functional departments as well, like marketing department, HR department, accounting and finance department, and purchase department as well. Let me give you a little brief on all the different departments, starting with housekeeping department. This is a very important department of a hotel that impacts directly on guest experience. It ensures that guest rooms, common areas, lobbies, hallways, restrooms, and any other public areas are clean and ready to use. Housekeepers carry out a deep cleaning of rooms once the guests check out to ensure that the new guests come to pristine rooms or suites. In fact, the main job of the housekeeping department is to ensure that the hotel always maintains high standards in cleanliness. So talking about the food production department. Food production department is also called kitchen department. It is responsible for the actual preparation of food items. Chefs, sous chefs, cook, kitchen porter or kitchen manager are some of the most important job roles in this department. This department ensures that cooking of food takes place in a hygienic environment and the food safety rules are followed strictly and appropriately. Now let's move on to food and beverage service department. Foods made in the kitchen and drinks prepared in the bar need to go to customers. This is the responsibility of the food and beverage service department. This department ensures that the waiters, waitresses and whoever else is involved takes foods and drinks to the customer's table as per their demand and serves them in a hospitable manner. The 4th major department is front office department. Front office staff are the first point of contact of a hotel's guests. Front office department is responsible to ensure that the guests are welcomed in a friendly and professional manner, and they are assigned with rooms according to their bookings. Front office staff also deals with guests' complaints, if any, and provide them with relevant information that they seek. Starting with a little brief on the miscellaneous departments in a hotel, there is a marketing department. Marketing is about understanding and satisfying customer requirements profitably. Marketing department of a hotel carries out a number of tasks, for instance, doing market research to understand the needs and demands of guests, developing new services, and carrying out advertisings and say sales promotions, campaigns are some of the responsibilities of the marketing department. Then we also have HR department, which is human resources. They carry out a number of tasks, for instance, designing jobs, developing job responsibilities, and person specification. They also advertise jobs on appropriate media, hiring and training new people, and firing underperformed ones are some of the major responsibilities of the HR department of a hotel. We also have accounting and finance department. This is a very important department of a hotel. So cost controlling, billing and credit control, dealing with tax issues, preparing financial statements, budgeting, managing payroll systems, and ensuring compliance with relevant laws are some of the major responsibilities of the accounting and finance department. Apart from this, we have a purchase department. So the purchasing department is also called procurement department. You must have heard of it. This department of a hotel is responsible to ensure that the company has access to the best quality raw materials, equipments, and other required goods at the most competitive prices to enable it to operate efficiently. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of the hotel industry and the career options available to you in this field. All you need is the right information to make the right decisions about your career path in life. We will be coming up with more detailed videos on hospitality industry so that we can help you make a better decision for your education. So please stay tuned. Thank you very much.